Let me quickly cut across to protests happening in Kolkata as the BJP launches another round of protest on the RG Kar rape and murder case. Here are the images, live images that's coming to fore. The images that's coming to fore there, BJP's women's unit, at this point rolling out a protest in Kolkata against the RG Kar rape and murder case, demanding resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Yet another round of protests. They've been, in fact, holding series of protests back to back. The BJP really mounting immense pressure on the TMC government in the state. The West Bengal's BJP women's unit staging this protest against the RG Kar rape and murder case. Anirban joining us live for more on that. Anirban, we're looking at, in the reins, BJP's women cell or women's unit staging this protest. As expected, they've clashed off with the police. We're looking at Agnimitra Paul there wearing black bands. Tell us more.
Well, Nabila, you can see the scuffling is going on right now between the BJP protesters, the BJP Mahila cell and with the police. And you can see here that Agnimitra Paul, who is approaching to the Women Commission, West Bengal Women Commission office. But right now the police is stopping them and police will detain them. And we have seen that Loket Chatterjee, the former MP of BJP, as well as Debashri Chaudhary, who is the former Union MOS, and right now the protesters have stopped just in front of the Women Commission office of West Bengal. BJP as well as the case that has happened 21 days ago. Now 21 days passed, no justice has yet come, and right now the BJP, those who are saying that the evidence is being destroyed by the Kolkata police as well as by the West Bengal government, they are saying, and that's why they are blaming the Kolkata police for this, as the Kolkata police is investigating the matter in the first 6-7 days. And right now CBI has taken over, but they are saying that all the things were destroyed. And now the BJP Mahila cell has sat on the streets as well as they were protesting. And here Agnimitra Paul, we are seeing that here is Agnimitra Paul.
हम लोग 5-6 लोग हैं, हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। हम लोग बोला था कि महिला कमीशन को ताला लगाने के लिए जा रहे हैं। हम लोग जाएंगे वहाँ पे, उसका मुंह बंद करने के लिए जा रहे हैं। अगर वो बंगाल के लिए मुंह बंद रहेगा और उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए, मणिपुर के लिए मुंह खुला रहेगा उन लोगों का।
इंडिया
अभी महिला आयोग से मुलाकात करने के लिए चल
वुमेन्स कमीशन में लेके जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बोला जा रहा है कि ये आप नहीं लेके जा सके। ये तो हमारा प्रतिज्ञा है, हम तो ताला लगाने के लिए आए हैं।
Well, the protesters, the BJP leaders, Loket Chatterjee, Agnimitra Paul and others are going to Mahila Commission office to meet the members of Women Commission, as they have given permission for 2 people to go inside and talk. And right now the situation in Kolkata, in Salt Lake area is very tensed, and as the situation unfolded from last 21 days in RG Kar hospital, that has happened in RG Kar hospital. And right now the protesters, we can see the police deployment, the huge police deployment over here, and also the protesters are protesting.
So we see the BJP leaders, the women's wing particularly, who have been on the streets, agitated. They're holding back-to-back protest marches. They demand Mamata Banerjee's resignation. This is their one and only demand they've highlighted right from day one. In fact, BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul says the way she's saying things is a language of an anti-national, basically referring to Mamata Banerjee, saying that if someone else would have said such things, then a case under UAPA should have been registered. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, remember, had earlier today written a second letter to the Prime Minister Modi asking for stringent action and a central law to come up with strong punishment for heinous crimes like rape and murder. Now, this is Mamata Banerjee's request to the Prime Minister in a second letter, but that said, the BJP very unhappy with the way the state government has handled the RG Kar rape and murder case. Of course, as an opposition, they're mounting immense pressure. This is another round of protests that the BJP has rolled out, but we saw several citizen groups who had come out on the streets protesting. In fact, just 2 days ago, the protests turned so violent that the National Human Rights Commission took cognizance of the way that protest ended with huge police excesses, with lathi charge, tear gas shells, water cannons that were being used to disperse off those protesters. According to the NHRC, was a violation of their basic rights, their democratic right to protest. Now, a day later, we're looking at the BJP yet again holding these protest rallies in Kolkata.
ताले की चाबी किसको देंगे? ताले की चाबी महिला कमीशन है, आप जाबे पहुंच चुके हैं अधिकारी।
Us for more on that. And Anirban, tell us more. Where exactly is the rally being pulled off? We see the BJP women netas who are out on the streets. They are holding this march up to where?
Anirban bol raha hu.
All right, we're going to try and patch Anirban's connection. But from what we hear at this moment, the BJP's women's wing marching to the State Women's Commission's office. In fact, the opposition party has been constantly piling pressure on Mamata Banerjee government, accusing Mamata Banerjee of mishandling this case right from the word go, and suggesting how the TMC has failed in ensuring law and order and securing the women of the state. So here you have the women's wing of the BJP who are protesting, raising slogans. High drama that we see pan out on the streets of Kolkata. This is yet another day of protest. In fact, this comes just a day after 3 audio clips surfaced that showed how the parents of the young trainee doctor were misled by claiming that the death was a case of suicide. Now that itself raised a lot of questions on the intention of the hospital, on whether they wanted to cover up something larger. Anirban is with us. Anirban, please go on. The BJP women's cell, the women leaders extensively hitting the ground running. Yet again, it's been way over 3 weeks since the crime came to light. The BJP, though, has been stepping up immense pressure, embarrassing the TMC government of the state.
Well, 21 days before the incident has happened in RG Kar Hospital, after that there is a ruckus situation in Kolkata right now. You can see over here that the BJP Mahila Cell is protesting in front of the West Bengal Women Commission office, and 2 of their delegations, we have seen that Loket Chatterjee, who is the former MP of BJP, as well as Agnimitra Paul and Devashri Chaudhary, has gone there inside the Mahila Commission office, and right now others are protesting in front of this Mahila Commission office, and also there is a huge police deployment for them. Huge police deployment, as they have already said that they will march till the Mahila Commission office. But in the afternoon we have seen that most of the Mahila workers have been detained from various places of Salt Lake, and after that they were being struck just in front of the Mahila Commission office. And as we all know that the situation unfolded days by, as we have seen that there is lots of incident in this matter, and we have seen that BJP is protesting, all others, doctors are protesting, and all the unions, students' fronts are protesting, and we have seen the ruckus in the students' Chhatra Parishad rally, as well as BJP called Bengal Bandh for 12 hours, and there is also a ruckus situation in that. And right now, the BJP workers, the Mahila Cell workers are all protesting in front of the Women Commission office of Bengal, and there is a huge deployment of police. And also the 2 and 3 delegates of the BJP Mahila Cell, Locket Chatterjee, Agnimitra Paul, and also Debashri Chaudhary has gone inside to meet the Mahila Commission members. After that, what happens, we will see. But right now, they are demanding justice, as well as they are demanding resignation of Mamata Banerjee.
Okay, so the 3 clips, Anirban, that has just surfaced are the audio clips showing how parents are misled, calling this a case of suicide by the hospital superintendent itself. Has that really quaked the state of West Bengal? How has it really taken the direction of the investigation now?
Well, the investigation, as we all know, that investigation has first begun with the Kolkata police, as well as the hospital administration also had that calls, that records right now. But as we all know, that the family is informed in a 3-way, and the family also said many things about the hospital administration as well. But right now, the people, the opponent parties of West Bengal, like BJP, Left Front, and the Students' Union, those they are saying that the truth will come and the truth shall prevail very soon. And right now, still the outcome is coming. The people and the Students' Union, the doctors, the junior residents, the senior residents, the political parties is going to carry on their protest in Kolkata, as we have seen in Salt Lake right now. In front of the Mahila Commission office, there is a huge police deployment over here. The huge police force, women police force, as well as men over here. Men police force is there. But right now, the Locket Chatterjee, Agnimitra Paul, Debashri Chaudhary has gone inside to have a talk with them, as BJP accusing Mahila Commission that they any words in this incident, in this RG Kar matter, in this RG Kar incident, as they have not said anything, and that's why they are protesting. They want to lock up the gate, the main gate of the Mahila Commission office.
So those are the images that we see there of BJP women's wing who reached the paths of the Women's Commission, where they're holding a symbolic lock to try and suggest that this ideally should be locked. This office has no purpose. The women's cell protesting and gherawing the State Women's Commission office near Salt Lake area. Then we see that leaders, including Locket Chatterjee, Agnimitra Paul, who are right there wearing black bands and pulling out this protest rally. Nearly 21 days after the rape and murder came to light. In fact, more twists and turns that are coming in this case itself leads to the opposition getting more ammunition by the day to come out and slam the TMC government as it embarrasses the ruling regime of the state for mishandling this case soon after the case came to light. The family members not being conveyed the right story, the fact that the parents itself were told that this was a case of suicide, the BJP saying that there could be a lot more that's been hidden in this case that they want the case to uncover.